Assalamualaikum.
And hi,
My name is Noor Bedriah and my partner.
Noor Aimi Binti Ahmad Nazri.
So today we will present
Our mobile application called
i-Iyadah. Let's start. For our introduction, what is our purpose for building i-Iyadah application? It is to solve the problem related to queuing time issue, which allow user to track progress by scanning the QR code, which is provided by the clinic, and the user can freely wait for their turn outside the clinic. The problem statement is where we found the reason of why we need to build i-Iyadah application for the IIUM community. This is because first people tend to complain for the long time for their turn to seek for treatment inside the clinic, and then the second, the limited waiting seat provided inside the clinic, and the third one is the crowded places inside the clinic while they're waiting for treatment.
Okay, next for the objective. The first one is to provide a platform for user to track their waiting number. Second one is to avoid clinic from being crowded. And the third one is to stand by or waiting for treatment outside of the clinic. For the development tools, we use 6 middle software. The first one is the Visual Studio Code, where all the codes are being written. The next one is Canva, where we create our application logo. And then the third one is the QR code monkey generator, where we generate text for our QR code. And the Firebase for the authentication, Cloud Firestore to store the database, and Android Studio to generate our Android emulator. And for the methodology, this is our use case diagram, where basically it is an overview of our application screen, where there is login, register, homepage, scanner, tracking number, calendar, and FAQ, frequently asked questions. Okay, now I will start the demo. This is our login screen. User need to input their email and password to log in, but first they need to register. This is our register screen. User need to input the information, which are the username, email, password, phone number, address, and also their gender. Once the user has input their information, they can click the submit button, and it will direct it back to the login screen. After the user has input their email and password, they can click the login button. After the user has clicked the login button, it will direct to the homepage screen.
After user authentication, it will direct you into our homepage screen, where as you can see at the top part of our application is where the button to navigate into announcement, FAQ, and also profile screen. And in the middle is where information related to i-Iyadah application. And then the bottom part is where the navigation button for scanner, tracker, calendar, and also home screen. Next is our FAQ screen. As you can see, that FAQ button is located inside our homepage screen. So once you click the button here, it will direct you to our FAQ screen. By default, it's in English, but if you want to see for Bahasa Melayu language, you just click the button here and it will direct you to FAQ for Bahasa Melayu. So you can scroll up and down and see all the question in here. So now we will proceed to the scanner part. We just click the scanner button here.
Okay, now we will scan the QR code. Pretend this is the QR code queuing paper. After we scan the QR code, it will direct to the tracking page where the user will see the queuing number and also the estimated waiting time, which is 10 minutes. Okay, this is the close-up overview of our tracking screen. Once the user has scanned the QR code, it will direct to the tracking page, and it will give user their queue number and also the estimated waiting time, which is 10 minutes.
So next is our calendar screen. User just need to click the icon located in home page. and then it will navigate you to our calendar screen. So here by default it will show the current day, which is today is 27 January, and user also can slide left to see other months beside the January.
Okay, now for the profile screen, user can view their information that they have filled in just now, and there is a sign out button. If the user click the sign out button, it will pop up an alert whether the user want to sign out. If the user click no, then it will stay inside the application. Next is for the info screen. When user click the info screen, it will appear the information of the operating hours of the clinic and also services that are available inside the clinic.